in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter into or enable safe mode on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows Start button, and then select the power icon, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Once it says please wait, you can release pressure on your keyboard. And if you're unable to boot into Windows, you can do a hard power off 3 times in a row to load the troubleshooting menu that we're about to be greeted with. So now at this point, select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options, select Startup Settings, and then select Restart. On this page, you want to tap the F4 or Function 4 key to enable safe mode or enter into safe mode. You can also tap F5 or F6 if you want to enter into safe mode with networking or just with a command prompt. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial on your Lenovo device. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.